Namaskar. A very warm welcome to you all. Today I'm Majishta. I'm here to present the news bulletin of GCG. From 12th August to 18 August, Anti-Ragging Cell of Government College for Girls Ludhiana organized a meaningful Anti-Ragging Week to raise awareness about the dangers of ragging and promote a culture of respect among students. The week featured a variety of competitions including essay writing, slogan writing, poster making, digital poster making, Instagram reel creation and YouTube video creation, allowing students to creatively express their views against ragging. The week concluded with the grand prize distribution ceremony on August 22nd, attended by Principal Mrs. Suman Lataji, where winners were awarded. Madam Principal, in her address, praised the students for their enthusiastic participation and highlighted the importance of maintaining a safe and supportive campus environment. The event was a resounding success, showcasing the college's dedication to fostering respect and inclusivity. Women College for Girls Ludhiana is beaming with pride as two of its students achieved remarkable success. Vani Puri, a BA second year student, clinched a gold medal in Junior State Weightlifting Competition in 49 kgs category, organized by Punjab Weightlifting Association. Additionally, Arunima Pal, a BBA second year student, secured a bronze medal in state ranking badminton competition organized by Punjab Badminton Association on August 17th. Principal Mrs. Suman Lataji congratulated both students on their outstanding accomplishments and also expressed her pride in students' achievements and credited their success to the guidance and support provided by college, underscoring this as a proud moment for the entire institution. On 24 August 2024, the Multilingual Society of Government College for Girls Ludhiana organized a debate competition on the topic Artificial Intelligence versus Human Intelligence. The event was graced by the presence of college principal Mrs. Suman Lataji as the chief guest. Mrs. Gurjinder Kaur, as the head of Department of English, extended a warm welcome to the participants. Participants from various courses enthusiastically debated the topic. The competition was judged by Mrs. Shivani Arora from Department of English. The winners were Sakshi from BA 2nd, who secured first place, Vachishta from BCom 3rd, who secured second place, and Jasmine from BA 1, who took third place. In her address, the principal commended the efforts of both the students and the English department for organizing such an intellectually stimulating event. On 29 August 2024, Government College for Girls Ludhiana celebrated National Sports Day with an intramural volleyball competition where Principal Mrs. Suman Lataji served as chief guest. Mr. Satnam Singh highlighted Major Dhyan Chand's achievements. 5 student teams named after former international players participated enthusiastically. Mirza Fighters secured first place, Sarita Titan second, and Sharanjeet Champions third. A run for fitness was also organized by 3 Punjab Girls Battalion NCC. Principal Mrs. Suman Lataji honored Gatka team members Daya Kaur and Jasleen Kaur for their gold medals in the national championship. The event concluded with a vote of thanks from Mrs. Nivedita Sharma, HOD of Physical Education. On 30 August 2024, Government College for Girls Ludhiana, in collaboration with the 10TINF BNTA Sikh Ally, organized a tree plantation drive on campus. The event was honored by the presence of Principal Mrs. Suman Lataji, Professor Sarita Khurana, Lieutenant Jasdeep Kaur, Mrs. Rosie Nagpal, Mr. Manoj, Subedar Sukhvinder Singh, Naib Subedar Vijay Kumar, and other members of 103 Infantry Battalion joined this green initiative. The drive was organized with a forward-looking vision to promote healthy lifestyle and ensure a better environment for future generations. GCG Ludhiana once again showcased its excellence in results as Bhavika from BSc 2nd Sem secured the top position in Punjab University examinations by securing 404 out of 420 marks In B-Walk, Yukti by securing 92% bagged first position, while Lakshya Hain by securing 91.9% and Arushi by securing 89.03% secured second and fifth positions respectively at the university level. Principal Mrs. Sumilata Ji expressed her joy, congratulating and blessing the students for their outstanding achievements. She also commended the dedicated efforts of the respective department teachers. On August 30, 2024, under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumilata Ji, the Planning and Consumer Forum of Government College for Girls Ludhiana launched its activities for the session 24-25 with remarkable enthusiasm. The event commenced with an introduction to the society and its members, setting a vibrant tone for the year ahead. The centerpiece of the event was the captivating video presentation competition on the Bangladesh Crisis 2024, where students showcased their insights and creativity. Himanshi Arora of BCom third year claimed the first prize, followed by Sakshi Verma of BA third in second place and Bhavleen Kaur of BA 3 securing the third prize. On August 31, 2024, the Student Counselling Centre at Government College for Girls Ludhiana celebrated National Sports Day with an installation ceremony and a reel making competition. The event was graced by Principal Mrs. Sumilata Ji as the chief guest, with Mrs. Harleen, Mrs. Umang Bharti and Mrs. Ruchi Arora as guest of honors. During the ceremony, Palak Puri was appointed as President and Shreya Mehra as Vice President, Rishita as Secretary and Himanshi Arora as Treasurer, along with the selection of 7 executive members. Principal Mrs. Sumilata Ji delivered an inspiring speech, encouraging the student counselling team to continue their efforts in supporting students through challenging times. She also presented certificates to the winners of the reel-making competition. The event concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks from President Palak Puri and Vice President Shreya Mehra, expressing gratitude to the principal and esteemed faculty. With this, we came to the end of the news bulletin. We will be back with another news bulletin very soon. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.